Do you know what you're putting into your body? With so many hidden ingredients in packaged goods, it can be hard to make conscious, healthy choices. Taking the time to read food labels can help you stick to your diet by helping you track how much you're consuming of certain nutrients. Here are some tips for breaking down food labels. Who's counting? How many calories should you be eating each day? While it varies from person to person, on average, women should aim for 2,000 a day and men should plan for about 2,500 a day. Be sure to eat foods that are low in calories but high in nutritional value. Chew the fat. Pop quiz! Which are good for you, unsaturated, saturated, or trans fats? Unsaturated fats, found in fatty vegetables and nuts and seeds, can be good for your cardiovascular health and cholesterol. Saturated and trans fats found in baked goods, meat, and dairy products can be artery clogging and can increase your risk for heart disease. Craving carbs? Not all carbs are created equal. Food labels identify fibers and sugars within the total carb count. A good rule of thumb? More fiber, less sugar. New and improved food labels are coming soon that will further identify added sugars in foods. Take your vitamins. Vitamins and minerals are like superheroes fighting for our health, helping our bodies function optimally and efficiently, and tackling anything that might get in the way. Food labels identify a few key nutrients, like iron and calcium, to help us ensure we're getting enough of them. The new food labels will replace vitamins A and C with vitamin D and potassium, seeing that research shows on average, Americans are not consuming enough of those nutrients. For more tips on decoding food labels, check out our natural health articles.